Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a video intro for your videos, of course. Obviously the aesthetics and stuff will depend on the video you put. So for instance, this is a beach vibe. You can add in text here and maybe type in beach vlog or something, and then find a font that you like. I'm just going to also add in some shadow here just so you can kind of see it. Let me just blur it out a little bit more. And if you want a keyframe on this, I think I'm just going to kind of make it disappear when the waves disappear. It is a little bit better if I use keyframes for that, but honestly I don't have the time right now. But it's just going to take a long time if I auto cut it. You'll see later. But right click, create compound clip, and then go to video and select mask, add in a mask, and we'll just use the split. I think this could work honestly, but let's see. So right at this moment I am just going to also feather it out a little bit here, and I'm just going to add in a keyframe here, and kind of at the end I'm just going to swoop it so it gets removed by the waves, I guess. But again, there's just a bunch of intros. I can't do all of it like the tutorial. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.